It's luxury always for my brides. And for this bride, I went in with the Mismetics Aqua Grip Primer, and this is the mattifying one, and I applied it to parts of her face, excluding the eyes. And then I went in with the Hega and Esther mattifying Photo Perfect foundation, and then I applied some setting spray to help blend and match everything to her skin. And then I went in with a damp beauty sponge to blend in the foundation. Then I applied some dark concealer to the parts where I would like to contour. And then afterwards, I just blended everything out. Then I went in with Zickel Red Liquid Lipstick as cream blush before I went in with these two concealers, one at the outer part and one in the inner part. And then I applied some to the nose bridge, to the chin, to the forehead, and then the cupid's bow. So afterwards, I just let it sit for a little bit because it helps give more coverage. And then I started to blend. My model had shakara and I was loving it. So then I went in and started blending from the chin, and then I went into the smile line. Then I blended up to the eyes, but I had to be careful because I had already done my eyeshadows, so I had to be careful with my blending so as not to move anything or make it splotchy. Then I went in to blend out the nose bridge as well. So for powder, I like to start out with a compact powder, a light shade underneath the eyes, and then the smile lines as well, because I don't want any breakage anywhere. Then I went in with my setting powder from Flawless IV to extra set the under eyes, the nose bridge, forehead, cupid's bow, and chin, because those are the places I want the light to hit when the light hits her face. Then I went in with her actual powder shade from the powder palette and a bigger powder brush, and then I blended it to the rest of her face. And I love a multi-purpose palette. This palette has a nice shade I like to use for blush, and a little goes a long way. Don't say I didn't warn you. And then I went in with this contour kit from Classic Makeup, and I'm taking the medium shade for her contour and then the highlighter for her highlight, obviously. And then I just went into the places where I want to add shape to the face. And then I'm doing the under eye before spraying her face, because I feel like highlighter looks amazing after you spray the face. So then I'm applying lower lash mascara before I apply the highlighter. And after applying the highlighter, I'm going to take it a step further and add some loose highlighter, because I wanted these highlights to be blending, and you're going to see what this highlighter is going to do. Like, just with sushi tones, just with, oh my god, that's so pretty. And you didn't expect me to give you all the goodies in one video, did you? Watch out for the next part for lipstick tutorials.